Okay, students, today topic is real numbers. Okay, so real numbers in logarithms exercise 1.5. So first problem, so what is the first problem? Log 5 base 25. So that is 25 means factorization. So 25 is equal to 5 into 5, that equals to 5 square. So that equals to log 5 base 25 means 5 square. 5 square. So this is the form of log n a power m. So that equals to 1 by m into log n base a. Log n base a. So that equals to 1 by m. So n means 5. 5. So m means 2. A means 5. So 1 by m. So that equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into. So log 5 base 5. So what is the log 5 base 5 value? So this is the form of log a base a. So that equals to 1. So that is equal to log 5 base 5 means 1. So 1 by 2 into 1, that equals to 1 by 2. Okay, next problem. So next problem, log 3 base 81. Log 3 base 81. So that equals to 81 means so this is the prime factorization method 81. So that is equal to 3 power 4. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So that equals to 81. So that is equal to log 3 base 81 means 3 power 4. So this is also log n a power m. Log n a power n. So log n a, so that equals to log, that is equal to 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. So what is the log 3 base 3 value? So that is equal to 1. So that equals to 1 by 4 into 1. So that is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the form of 1 by m into log n base a. Okay, so these two problems. Okay, next problem. So third problem. So log 1 by 16 base 2. Log 1 by 16 base 2. So 16 means this is the prime factorization. So 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 2 power 4. Okay, 2 power 4. So that equals to log 2, log 1 by 16 means 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. So that is equal to log 2 power minus 4 2. So minus 4 is comes in between the, okay, so log minus 4 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 means 1. So that is equal to minus 4 into 1. So that is equal to minus 4. Okay, this is the value. Okay, next question. Fourth question. Okay, fourth question. So log 1 base 7. So log 1 base 7 means that is the value of 0. So what is the formula? So log 1 base a equals to 0. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Okay, next problem. So next problem, fifth problem. So log root x base x. So log root x base x. So root x means x power 1 by 2. Root x means x power 1 by 2. So that is equal to log x power 1 by 2 base x. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 into log x base x. So what is the log x base x value? That equals to 1. So 1 by 2 into 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so next. So next problem. So fifth is enough. Sixth problem. So sixth problem. So log 512 base 2. So 512, this is the prime factorization. So 2 2s are 4. So 1 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 6 are 12. 256. So that equals to next to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 16. 2 8s are 16. So next one, 2 6s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 2 16s are 32. So 2 8s are 16. So that equals to 2 4s are 8. So 2 2s are 4. So how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 512 is equal to, so 512 is equal to 2 power 9. 2 power 9. Okay, 512 is equal to 2 power 9. So that equals to, so log 2 power 9 base 2. Log 2 power 9 base 2. So that is equal to 9 into log 2 base 2. 9 into log 2 base 2. So this is the form of log A base A. What is the value of log A base A? 1. So that is equal to 9 into 1. So that is equal to 9 is the answer. Okay, next problem. Okay, next problem. So what is the next problem? Log, seventh problem. So seventh problem is log 0.01 base 10. So base 10. So 0.01 means, so 0.01 means 1 by 100. Okay, so 1 by 100 is equal to 10 square, 1 by 10 square. Okay, so that is equal to 10 power minus 2. So that is equal to 10 power minus 2. So that equals to log 10 power minus 2 base 10. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ బేస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది కూడా మనకి లాగ్ వాల్యూ కూడా అదే విధంగా వచ్చేటట్టు మనం రాసుకోవాలి. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ లాగ్ 10 బేస్ 10. మైనస్ 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు log 10 base 10. So what is the log 10 base 10 value? So that equals to 1. So minus 2 into 1, so that is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is the seventh problem. Okay, next eighth problem. So eighth problem, what is the eighth problem? So log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Base 2 by 3. So log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So what is the 8 value? 8 is equal to 2 cube. 27 is equal to 2 cube. So that equals to log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. Okay, so log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. So log a power n base n. Okay, this is the form of, so 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So that is equal to 3 into 1. So that is equal to 3. Okay. Okay, next problem. So last problem. So ninth problem. So that is equal to ninth problem. So 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. So that is equal to, so this is the form, so that is equal to a power m plus n. This is the form of a power m plus n. So a power m plus n means a power m into a power n. Okay, so that equals to 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. Okay, so that is equal to ఈ 2 ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది ఇక్కడ పవర్లో ఉంది, లాగ్ 3 బేస్ 2 కదా. సో 2కి పవర్లో లాగ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, సో దాని వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి మనకి 2 స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 4 అవుతుంది. సో 3 ఇంటూ, సో 3 ఇంటూ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్, సో ఏ పవర్ లాగ్ ఏ పవర్, ఓకే, ఏ పవర్ లాగ్ ఎన్ బేస్ ఏ. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ ఇంటూ లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఏ. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో యాస్టీస్గా అంటే లాగ్ ఏ బేస్ ఏ మీన్స్ 1 కాబట్టి సో ఎన్ అవుతుంది. సో యాస్టీస్గా ఇది కూడా అంతే. సో లాగ్ 3 ఇంటూ లాగ్ 2 బేస్ 2. సో లాగ్ 2 బేస్ 2 మీన్స్ 1 కదా. సో 4 ఇంటూ 3, 4 3s are 12. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ రాసేసాను ఇక్కడ. సో లాగ్ 2 బేస్ 2 మీన్స్ 1. సో 4 ఇంటూ 3, 4 3s are 12 ఇంటూ 1 12. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓకే. స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.